Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review my fall Causebox for you guys. So if you don't know, Causebox is a subscription box that you get seasonally, so spring, summer, fall, and winter. And all of the products are ethically sourced or organic or donate money, or the money goes to charitable organizations, so it's products that you can feel really good about subscribing to, and they're great quality products. I've had 2 boxes so far. So this fall, the box looks like this. So every season, I believe they get an actual artist to design the box, and it will probably tell us a little something about that. So this box, the boxes are always beautiful. I never want to throw them away. I always want to save them to use for gift wrapping or something like that. So I'm going to open it up here and we'll see what we've got. So it always comes with a little magazine type, and so it looks like we've got a note from the editor-in-chief. I believe it will tell you about who designed the box, and yes, it will give you more descriptions about what's in the box this season, and then I think it's got some recipes. It's got some, looks like pieces on some organizations going on around the world. So really, really nice, well done magazine. It's always just fun to read and look at. Alright, so that comes with that. And looks like we've got a coupon for the PMD Microderm, which, so a microdermabrasion tool, and I've seen that. So looks like we've got a coupon for that. Alright, so let's get into the box. I always love that the packaging is very eco-conscious, and so they don't really use any plastic, and they try to keep all the wrapping to a minimum, so really appreciate that. And they've even got a sticker on the tissue paper that matches the box. And it's so well done. It just feels so intentional. Alright. Every box also comes with a postcard, also designed by the highlighted artist, and so the postcard usually reflects the art from the front of the box. So this is this season's art and postcard, and it really is an actual postcard that you can mail out to somebody. That's always really fun. Okay, so the first item that I'm seeing in my box is a serum. This is a face brightening serum, revitalizing, smoothing, dark spot reducing, complexion toning, tissue repairing. So that sounds great. The last box I got a serum. I got a hyaluronic acid serum, and I've been using it a lot. I really like that, so hopefully this is just as good. So this has marula, black currant, and carrot. Alright, so our magazine tells me that this is the Way of Will, I suppose is the brand. It's a brightening face serum for a healthy, dewy glow. Fights free radicals and hydrates skin, made with vitamins A and C. This is a $37.50 value. Great. I'm going to open it up and see what it looks like. Great. I like to leave products that are pretty. I like to leave those out on my vanity, so I feel like that will fit in just fine on my vanity. So I'm excited to use that. All right, next I've got the Green Company set of 10 reusable facial rounds. It replaces up to 12,000 cotton balls or facial rounds. The included laundry bag makes washing easy, and this is a $10 value. So this was actually a choice. They emailed me ahead of time, and I was able to pick between this or between some basil growing kit. So basil seeds, and probably something that you could plant the basil seeds into and grow some homemade basil. I already have homemade basil. I've already been growing that this year. So I picked, and I told them to email me these reusable cotton rounds. So I'm really excited. It says they're made out of bamboo fiber and cotton velvet. And that's great that it comes with the washing bag. Something else that I like to use is the Halo reusable face wipe. It's like a microfiber cotton, and that kind of reminds me. But this is going to be great because if I want to use some micellar water or some eye makeup remover, I can use this instead of a disposable cotton rounds. That's great. Alright, so the next product is by Artisan Direct, and it's the Milky Way Lantern. It's written in the stars. Insert a tea candle, not included, and light up the night. It's a $40 value. So I also chose this. The other option was a fruit and tea tumbler. And so when they emailed me, I chose this as an option. So this is a tea light holder. And so again, with the packaging, there's just a cardboard box, and then it's just wrapped in some paper that looks like it's more less refined paper, not bleached or anything like that. So I really appreciate the lack of plastic in their packaging. So let's see how I can get this open. Okay, and there's the lantern, just standard. It's got the space to insert the tea light in there. So I think that's going to be really pretty when I light the tea candle and the light comes through these stars. I think that's really cute. Okay, so the next thing that I see is wrapped in some type of plastic, and it says this bag is recyclable. So again, with their packaging, it's always so nice. And I already know what this is because I was able to choose this as well. So this is by the brand Bathin', and it's a waffle towel set. And you could choose it if you wanted it in mint or in charcoal. Unbelievably cozy and superbly soft. Includes 2 bath and 2 hand towels, and it's a $90 value. So really nice. It's more like a woven cotton, less like a terry cloth feel. Oh, great. And if you can't tell, that kind of goes with a lot of my home aesthetic. So that's perfect. I'm really excited. I'm always excited for good towels, good hand towels. I try not to use paper towels too much, even though I won't be using these to clean up messes off the floor, but very excited to use these. So the next item I was also able to choose. This is by the brand Tribe Alive. It's a rose gold crisscross cuff. It says a stylish bangle featuring an intricate crisscross design, and it is a $42 value. And I chose this over a de-stress muscle gel and a exfoliation body scrub. So let's see, I don't own a lot of jewelry. I'm not a big jewelry wearer, but I'm a sucker for rose gold. So when I saw this, I think my thought was maybe it'll inspire me to actually wear some jewelry every now and then. This again says this package is made with 100% recyclable virgin material. So that's great. Let's see here. That's really cute. See if you can see, it's just a standard band, and it does, you can see that, it does crisscross over the top. That's cute. That's really, hopefully that will inspire me to actually wear a little bit of jewelry every now and then. All right, so my last item is the Core Bamboo Serve Set. It says, prep and serve using this set made from one of the most renewable resources in the world, bamboo. It's a $35 value, and every box came with this, and every box came with the brightening face serum. So it is a cutting board with 2 utensils, some prongs, tongs, and a wooden spoon, wooden spatula. And this is one of the first items that I've ever seen that's wrapped in plastic, that the plastic doesn't say made of recyclable sources or this is 100% recyclable. So I think this is the only time that I've ever seen that. So a little bit of plastic, but way better than most companies. And I'm sure it's this particular company wraps this, not Causebox. All right, so that was my fall 2020 Causebox. I hope you guys enjoyed my unboxing. Please, if you subscribe to Causebox, leave your items down below and tell me if you have used them, if you're liking them. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please give this video a like if you feel like doing so. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.